All right, so we're going to start by running the PQSH. I can actually just go up here. Do that. So we'll start by adding a few of the worksim processes. That should be enough. We can check the status here. And we can see the running queue has one process currently running, and two of the ones that I put in there, the first two, have already finished. We can also see that if we add an invalid, it's just like if we misspell it or something, it's going to say exec VP failed, no such file or directory. We can also check the status of individual queues, so we can say status running. So there isn't anything in the running. I think everything's finished at this point, so we can say status finished. And we can see the 3 bin work sims in there. We can also see help, which shows us all the usage commands. We can see that when we, when we do exit, it works there. And we can also try running this with a bunch of different options. So for example, if we want to run with multiple cores, we can run with, say, 5 cores. We can also do round robin type. So we can run it there. So just do the same thing. We can do status. And we can see how the response time here versus here is a lot lower. That's what round robin is best for. And then when running the full command, or when running the tests rather, and everything is successful.
It wasn't always successful. We did have a few errors, particularly with when exec VP failed. It would not remove the process from the queue, so it would remain in the finished queue. And so we had to dig a little into how to handle signals and the signal when a child process ends to fix that. It did get fixed. But it was a good lesson that the unit tests don't always cover everything. And so we caught that issue when we were just testing manually. And that was pretty much the overarching lesson that we learned from this project. We also had some issues in the queue program that the unit tests didn't catch. And so we had to fix those as well. And then just in general, it was good to learn how to collaborate on GitHub and implement these schedulers. Okay.